I graduated from college in 2010, and I will forever be grateful for my college education. But I'm 32, and tuition has skyrocketed since I was in school. Look at that. So in this video, I'm going to teach you the only majors to go to college for if you want to be able to quickly get a job. You have to realize that all majors in college are outdated because technology has taken over every single industry and created careers that did not exist when we were born. With that said, there are still majors that justify the cost of tuition so that you can comfortably pay off the hundreds of thousands of dollars that you would get in student debt. So if you decide to climb that mountain, I'll teach you what to pick. Number one, I was a business administration major. Business is still a great major only if you emphasize in something. I emphasized in finance, and I became an investment banker before I broke into tech. So if you decide to emphasize in finance or accounting or things like that, then you will be able to get a job at a big bank or a hedge fund and still make a lot of money. Number two, healthcare. Yes, technology has taken over every single industry, but if you decide to go to college to become a nurse or a doctor, that's still okay because robots are not going to be taking care of our grandmothers anytime soon.
Oh, please.
Number three, if you decide to do a computer science major, you can become a software engineer. And because technology is no longer an industry anymore, code is the universal language across the tech industry. And matter of fact, if you know how to code, you can work in healthcare, business, and anything else that you're passionate about as well.
Programmers of tomorrow are the wizards of the future. You know, you're going to look like you have magic powers compared to everybody else.
Again, most colleges are preparing students for jobs that no longer exist. And most colleges don't prepare you for careers in product management, growth, and machine learning. The iPhone 4 was released in 2010, and these companies right here did not exist before then. The good news is a computer science major will position you to understand how technology is recreating every single industry, including trillion-dollar industries that are fundamental to our world today. So if you become a software engineer, you can make money in any single industry that you're passionate about, like music, sports, or even film. But again, this is what I think. How about you tell me what job you're currently doing in the comments below, and let me know if that's the major that you studied in college. See you in the next video. Let's break in.